Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Ipsy Unbagging. I love Ipsy so much and some people love it, some people don't love it, but I'm definitely one who loves it. So this is going to be my November Ipsy Unbagging. So if you like Ipsy Unbagging, then give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click subscribe down below if you enjoy my videos. I post weekly. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Usually I do try on Ipsy, but my Ipsy came late and as you can tell, I already have a full face of makeup on. The only thing that I don't have on is a lipstick. I know I have a lip product in here, so I'll go ahead and try that on. But everything else I won't be trying out. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the lip product. My bag looks full. Alright, so the first product that I got is Incredible and it is Glazing Over. I think that's the color. And I think this is going to be like a very intense like lip gloss. So this is Intense Lip Glaze and it looks really pretty. I love the packaging. It's super cute, perfect for travel. Oh, it's like a berry color. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh. Okay, so the applicator is pretty flimsy, which I don't really like, but it's definitely like a deep berry. It looks like a crushed like raspberry or something. Really pretty. Crushed pomegranate, maybe that's what I'm thinking of. And it is definitely more like a gloss. It's a little thick, which doesn't bother me, but it's actually really pretty. I just wish the applicator was a little different because it is quite flimsy. And it looks like it would stain your lips as well. So let's go ahead and try this out. Definitely don't like the applicator, so I'm going to try and dab it on. Alright, so it's definitely really pretty. I really love the color. I remember reading on Ipsy that you can do what I did, dab it on for more like a stained look, or you can use the applicator for a really intense look. The applicator is quite hard to work with, but I really do like it, so I will be using it. Super pretty color. I love this. It's really pretty. Alright, next up we have a mascara. Oh, this is pretty. Ciate London Wonder Wand Mascara. The packaging is super cute. I love travel mascaras. I'm not going to open it because I'm trying to finish them, but it looks really nice. I'll insert a picture of what the wand is supposed to look like, but this looks like a really nice mascara. I love trying mascaras, so I'm super pumped I got this. It's supposed to be an intensely volumizing mascara, so can never get enough volume. Alright, next up is a nail polish. I love nail polishes. And this looks super pretty. It's by a brand I've never heard of. It is Nails Inc. London. It's a really pretty pinky desert type color, just like a dusty salmon color. And it's called Multiplier Walk. Beautiful shade. I'll go ahead and insert swatches and then I'll tell you what I think about it in the description below. But really nice, pretty polish. So I think that's going to be really nice. Let's see what kind of brush it has. Oh, good. It has a really flat applicator. I love those types. Those are my favorites. So it did look pretty thin, so I'm thinking 2 to 3 coats, but the color is beautiful. Alright, next up we have a Purely's Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. It's supposed to be oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. So I'm actually really excited to try this. This is definitely something that would be perfect to just throw on if you need to go to the store or just around the house. You just want a little bit to cover like a redness or something. So I think this is going to be pretty. I really love Purely's as well. Yeah, it's in the shade Light and it has all the benefits on the back as well. So let's see what the shade looks like. Ooh, that's going to be perfect. It's going to be a little light for right now. As you can tell, my hand it's definitely cool toned, but it looks really pretty. It definitely kind of just melts into the skin, so I think that's going to be really nice. It has no scent, and I think that's going to be perfect for when I lose my tan a little bit, but I will definitely give this a try. It looks really nice. It feels really nice too. it definitely did give me a little coverage on my hand, so it definitely has like a light BB type coverage, really nice. And last but not least, we have a Born Lovely, and this is by Sarah Jessica Parker, and this is a perfume, and this looks like a travel or full-size rollerball perfume. I'm hoping it smells really good because, oh yeah, this is pretty. I love rollerballs. Let's see. Ooh, doesn't smell too bad. It kind of reminds me of another perfume that I have. It's a very light scent. I like that. That's gonna be perfect to throw in the purse and just put on. That's really nice. I'll put the notes on the screen so you can see what it's supposed to smell like. Really nice, light, and fresh. So perfect scent. It's not too floral. It's not too anything. It's definitely not sweet. It's kind of maybe a little flowery. Yeah, maybe a little flowery, but it smells really good. It's not too overpowering. I like that. That smells nice. I got 2 extra items with my points. So I got the Skin Iceland, and this is the brightening eye serum. I love Skin Iceland, so when I seen this, I was like, I definitely need to try that, and I love eye serum. So really excited for this. And then I've been seeing this everywhere, so when I seen that this was a points perk, I definitely grabbed it. This is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Horrifying Face Mask, and this is supposed to be really good. Like I said, I've seen it all over Instagram. I've seen it everywhere. I've been wanting to try it. It's a little pricey, but I'm really excited that it was a points perk and I can try it now. It does say that it contains vitamin A, so if you're also taking dietary supplements and using other products containing vitamin A, to do a patch test. But it's supposed to detoxify and brighten. So that was it for my Ipsy. I really liked this month. I've been loving Ipsy for a while now. And yeah, again, this bag is amazing. I always review my products every single month. I highly recommend you do that and your bags get better. At least that's the experience I've had. So, and it seems to really work for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.